Now that you've installed Postmatic, let's look at how to configure your template. That's going to be the most important step. We'll visit the Your Template tab and walk through this. So your template is the larger wrapper, which all of your emails that are sent from Postmatic are wrapped within this larger template wrapper that you can customize in here. And this includes new posts, digests, comment notifications, and then transactional emails like opt-ins, opt-outs, confirmations, all of those things. But we made it pretty easy. The first thing is this color palette detection. What this does here is this will analyze your active theme and it'll extract the colors that are present in your active theme and automatically just customize the Postmatic template to reflect those same colors. So when your emails go out, they're already branded like your site. The theme that we're running here is just the stock 2016, so there's not a lot going on for colors, but whenever you do change your theme, you're going to want to hit refresh and update the color palette automatically. You can insert custom CSS. We have some documentation about different styles that you can use to customize the typography and colors and things within the template you could put here. Here you can choose what kind of header type do you want to have for your template. The text header is just very simple. It would just be your site icon and your text. Or you can assign a header image. You can create any image that is, as long as it's 1440 pixels wide, and upload it right here. I believe there's nothing on this site. This is a stock brand new site. This would show up at the top of your Postmatic email. We'll keep that to text for now. We have email header text as well. Now, when you define an image for your header, that's going to be used in new posts and new digest notifications. But comment notifications still just use a minified text header because we don't want to take up a lot of room just for a comment notification. So they still will get text. This will default to your site name, but you can change it to anything you want. Here's your site icon, which is also used in the template. You could change that in the customizer. We will sniff out any active icons that you have already. And here's, this is the biggest part here, is do you want to use widgets? So Postmatic templates support native WordPress widgets. You can define widgets in the header of the template, in the sidebar of some templates, and in the footer. So we're going to say yes, we'll use widgets, and we define what those are on the native WordPress widgets screen. We'll do that in a minute. Do you want to share the love and let people know that you're using Postmatic? Sounds great. And here you could send yourself a test email of how your template is looking. Just a heads up, before you send that test email, you do want to click Save Changes. And now the test will reflect anything that you have actually changed on the template itself. The custom welcome message here is an area where when somebody subscribes to your site and they then successfully opt in, well, you can shoot them an email saying, hey, thanks for signing up. Means a lot to us. You'll start getting our posts as soon as we publish them. But you also could customize this to send them an ebook or send them a questionnaire or anything you want. So whatever you want to send to people once they do opt in. This is there's all kinds of studies done about if you offer an incentive, even a simple ebook for people to subscribe, that your opt-in conversion rate go way up. So come up with a little prize that they can have and link to the prize, and then you're all set. So that's the basics of the template. And then, of course, since we did enable widgets, if we go to Appearance, Widgets, we have some new sidebars. We've got a Postmatic sidebar, a Postmatic post footer, and Postmatic comments footer, and a Postmatic header. There's so many sidebars here because we have a lot of the modules turned on in Postmatic, but each one has a description of where it's going to live, and you can just use anything that you want. So at the in the sidebar of your posts, you could put in your recent posts, show the 3 most recent posts. These are going to go out in email. On our website, we have a whole directory of widgets which are highly compatible with Postmatic. The best one that I highly recommend is called Black Studio Tiny MCE. If you just search the plugins repository for Black Studio, what that is it's a lot like this text widget, except that it's a full HTML WYSIWYG area here. So define your widgets and make your template beautiful, and off you go. Good luck.